You are watching a master at work.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a drift car alignment just on the front. The rear is another story, that takes a lot of time, so I'll do another video on that. But a simple way to check your toe is toe plates. So you can pick them up from jigs or internet, something like that, just wherever, for like around 40 to 60 bucks depending on what you get. You want to put the face flush with the plate. And you use these with tape measures to measure the front and back length. You come over here and you put them in the ends and you tighten them, or you pull them tight. So basically what you want to do is, I have the tie rods loosened, so I push the car frontwards and backwards to kind of jounce it, to release tension on it from the suspension, and that's how you take a reading. Then when you take a reading, you tighten it, do the same thing, and then, jounce it again, then tighten it, then take another reading to verify your adjustment. So let's go ahead and get it started.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and
Alright, so basically after you adjust your tie rods, push it forward and backwards with them loose, the ends, the lock nuts, then check the measurements again. So the front is 70 1/4 and the rear is 70. So that's a 1/4 inch toe out, which is what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten these. And actually I think I have time to do the rear now. So I have a bubble gauge that you can actually put on the wheel and measure camber. So I guess I'll just do the brake rotor. We'll see what it's at, and maybe try and adjust for 0 flat camber curve. So yeah.